Lithium batteries are dangerous.
Shit off it. That is offensive. Without homeless people, I wouldn't have half the joy and laughter I do in this life.
While we are on the subject of family, can you stop finding me and Mel outside of work? What? Why are you in our fridge? Are you fucking us right now?
Calm down, Mom. You're gonna have another panic attack.
Look, I don't judge the boring. Don't judge me.
Boss.
No, it's fine, Mills. Your husband is just, how do I say this without being offensive? Retarded.
Does immature